This is the most exciting season on the farm. It's kidding season. However, I need to get my girls ready before that day comes. So I'm going to take you along with me today. We got some things to do. This is really exciting. This is always the first sign that says spring is not far away every year. Our little yellow buttercups. Check on my duck with bumblefoot. Let's see how she's doing this morning. I've got to come down later and change out her bandage. How are you doing? Let's see. She looks just fine. I'll come back later and check you out, okay? Okay? I know, you want to go get with your other feathered friends. Before we get going with the goats, I'm going to go take care of the pigs and give you an update. Now, unfortunately, or fortunately, I'm not really sure which at the moment, the day that our first kid is due to drop from our goat Sassy, who's our first freshener, is the same day that we're processing pigs. So I'm hoping she either goes a little early or a little late. Do you remember what my garden area looked like before we put them out here? Check this out. They've done a really amazing job tearing it down. Oh, here they come. Hey, pig pigs. Hey, pig pigs. Hey, everybody. Hi, Boots. Come here, Boots. So I'm gonna go in now. Let's go take care of the girls. They're kind of spread out in their due dates this year. They didn't get all bred around the same time, which is usually what I've done in the past. This is our 4th kidding season here, I believe. So it'd be interesting to see how it pans out. So before kidding season officially starts, I need to get the does in on stand because there's some things that need to get done before the kids come. The most important thing is something called the CDT vaccine. The C and the D stands for this, I'll find the name of it. And the T stands for tetanus. You never know when they're going to step on something or cut themselves on something, and it's just a great preventative. By giving it to them 30 days before the kids are born, they'll be able to pass it on through their colostrum to the kids. I'll wind up giving the kids a booster shot when they're about a month old. So this is kind of a 2-for-1 deal. Now while I have them in up on the stanchion, which is where I'm gonna administer the vaccine, I'll probably go ahead and trim hooves, give them their spa day, make sure they're all set for their big day. You're pretty big there, Sassy. You're looking just like your mama. This is Sassy. She's one of 2 first fresheners that we have this year. When you say first freshener, it just means this is the first time that they've actually had a kid. Come on. I know you don't like getting your hooves clipped. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, Sassy. Sassy, no! Come on. Come on, come on up. Come on. I'm thinking she doesn't want her hooves trimmed. She never does. But holy smokes. Ugh. She's heavy now. No, 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 no. Come on. Come on. Get up there. Come on. Get up there. she's got a really nice udder developing here, considering that she's a month away from kidding, and she had no udder here about 2 or 3 weeks ago. So now she's got to get used to me touching her teats. So every day I'll come in, put her up on stand, feed her in here. You can see she's not happy about it, but she's got to get used to it because she's going to be one of my milkers. So no matter how old or how big the goat is, they will get 2 cc's of this. Have the injection. I'm going to pull out the skin and tent it and make sure, this is called a subcutaneous because it goes right under the skin. I'll put it in and then draw it back. There's no blood, so I'll go ahead and inject. If I'd hit blood, it means that I had hit a blood vessel, which I did not. Here, here's a treat. It's a molasses ball with some herbal remedies in it to help her with the swing in temperatures that's coming. It helps boost immunity. Mama in here. Oh, you're all done. I know that was traumatic for you. Come on. Come on. Come on, Maple. Come on, Maple. Come on, Maple. There you go. Get there, Maple. Oh, atta girl. Atta girl. I'll get something for you. Hold on. Hold on. Look at how big her belly is. So for goats, the left hand side of their body, which would be this side, is for lunch, left lunch. And it's pretty big, but man, I should show you top down view. Her right side is very big. And I actually had to breed her twice. She came into heat, I put her with Prince, I saw her bred. But then she came back into heat 3 weeks later, so I put her back in and he bred her again. It can happen sometimes if there's a false heat. So I'm going to have to watch both dates. The first one will be the day after Sassy. That would be kind of cool if mother and daughter gave birth around the same time. Winter since you guys came up here. Oh. So she's my other first freshener. As you can see, she is not used to getting touched. And so I'll have to be bringing them in every day, getting them used to being touched. If you've enjoyed today's video, please consider liking and subscribing, and stay tuned for more great content from Maplewood Homestead. See you next time.